One other key feature that we have is what we call as reset guide point. This enables our operators to switch from one width to another width without moving the sensor itself. In a traditional application where you have a narrowband sensor, let's say it's about 6 millimeters, that's looking at one edge of the web. If you change from one web width to another web width, then what they have to do is they have to physically move the sensor. That's like having a rail and move it there. And the other thing that they do is that they might have to do they might have a micrometer or a fine adjustment to move that sensor just a little bit based on what the guide point is. All of these things could be done digitally from our home screen, and that's what I'm going to show you next. To show the guide point adjustment, I have one sensor connected to the controller and enabled, and it's set to the left sensor configuration. So you can see that when the web moves here, it's the left sensor configuration. Now what we want to do is we want to change the guide point. Let's say we are running a different job at a different location. Instead of moving the sensor, we want to change the guide point. So for example, this is the web and we have threaded the web, and this is the correct location, or this is the ideal location where we want the new reference to be, or the guide point to be. All that the operator needs to do to reset to this guide point is to press that button and accept, and that will change the guide point. So the guide point offset on this home screen is showing us how far away from the middle is the current guide point. And right now, it's exactly in the middle of the sensor's field of view, and that's why it's 0. And visually, it's also indicated by this bar right here, and this is exactly in the middle of the field of view of that. Now, if we go to the left of the guide point, and let's say this is our new reference, and the operators, instead of moving the sensor, they can move the guide point. So all that they need to do is press the reset guide point and say accept. Now you can see that the guide point number moved there, and also this guide point bar moved there. So that one more time, let's say they want to use this current web position as the reference, then press reset guide point and accept, and it moves there. So this number right here, the guide point offset, what it's showing is that what is the offset from the middle, and that is indicated in millimeters. So that's to reset the guide point.